Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to HVAC work by Samiullah Khan 92. Today our video is about Gree Split AC error code E1. So we see why this error will come. E1 error code. This error code indicates the unit is experiencing high pressure. This error came because of the high pressure of the freon. The most common causes of increased pressure in your Gree mini split air conditioner are the number one issue is dirty coils and filters. You must check your indoor cooling coil and outdoor heating coil and the indoor filters of your split unit. So you must check these things. If any problem in these, you fix it, because if your outdoor coil is dirty, it will give you high pressure. Number two is failed fans. Failed fans means maybe your blower is broken, not working properly. Maybe your blower motor is damaged, you need to replace that motor. Or maybe your outdoor fan blade is broken, due to which high pressure is coming. Or maybe motor is damaged, due to which outdoor fan is not working. That's why your condenser is creating a high pressure, because of what the error code is coming. So this is the second one. And the number 3 and number 4 issue is freon. Maybe your freon is overcharging or a faulty high pressure switch. You must check the freon in your unit is proper on the scale or not. R410 freon, we must check, it will give you 120 psi. And if that one is also okay, then the last thing is your high pressure switch. Maybe that one is faulty. So this is all about the E1 error code. So we found 4 important points regarding to this error. First one is dirty coils and filters, failed fans, overcharging, pressure switch. So these 4 points you must check, and if anyone have issue, you must fix that problem, and after that your unit will be working fine. So that's all about today video. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. For more issues solution, like, share and subscribe my channel.